Did you know you can eat flowers? Yes, you heard it right. Not only can certain flowers be eaten, but they can also enhance your culinary creations with their unique flavors and colors. Today we'll be discussing the top 5 edible flowers that can transform your dishes. Let's dive in and explore these floral wonders. Starting off our list at number 1, we have nasturtiums. These vibrant flowers add not only color but also a slightly peppery flavor to your dishes, reminiscent of watercress. They're a delightful addition to salads. So, next time you're making a salad, consider adding some nasturtiums for a peppery twist. Moving on to number 2, we have violets. These charming blooms offer a sweet, floral flavor, making them a delightful addition to your culinary creations. Think desserts, think garnishes, think violets. Violets can add a sweet, floral touch to any dessert. At number 3, we have marigolds. These vibrant flowers boast a tangy, citrusy flavor, making them a delightful addition to your culinary repertoire. Toss them in salads or sprinkle as a garnish to add a pop of color and a citrusy flavor to your dishes. Next up, at number 4, we have dandelions. With a slightly bitter flavor, these common flowers are surprisingly versatile in the kitchen. They can spruce up a salad, brew into a calming tea, or even ferment into a unique wine. Dandelions are not just a common weed, but a versatile edible flower. Last but certainly not least, at number 5, we have roses. Known for their sweet, floral flavor, roses are a versatile addition to the culinary world. They can transform desserts, enhance teas, or serve as an elegant garnish. Roses can add a touch of elegance and a sweet floral flavor to your culinary creations. So there you have it, our top 5 edible flowers to enhance your culinary creations. From the peppery nasturtiums to the sweet violets, the citrusy marigolds, the honey-like dandelions, and the romantic roses. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more interesting and informative content. Happy cooking!